Welcome, welcome, welcome everybody. Hi, I'm Claudia. Thank you so much for opening the video. I am in Jamaica. Yes, you know I'm a real estate agent. So today I have an income earner for you. This one is inside Garveymeade community in St. Catherine. I wonder if you can feel the breeze or you can hear the breeze. You know you're in Jamaica when you have that cool Caribbean breeze from the Caribbean Sea, guys. So if you want to earn some money, this one is for you. It actually has 4 one-bedroom units on it. Imagine getting 4 one-bedroom units in Garveymeade, and 3 of them already tenanted. 1 you will need to put your fixing and complete what they started. All right, I know you have it in you. So we're gonna go inside. The house is tenanted, so we're not going to show you the inside of the units that are occupied. However, we will be showing you some pictures of the kitchen and the bathrooms that are in the units. Ladies and gentlemen, see you inside. So the first unit, so as you enter the property, this is the first unit. It includes a living, a bedroom, a bathroom, and a kitchenette area. So this is the second unit. This house also comes with a standby water tank and pump. And as you can see, you have line space. You have wash area. So this is the second unit, and it comes with a kitchenette, bathroom, and a bedroom. All right, so to go on the upstairs, we enter through this common hallway to go on the upstairs. You also have a washing area for the upstairs, and all the units have their own washroom space or wash area space. All right, so to go upstairs and enter onto, so this is the original staircase for those of you who know these houses. So this door right here would be unit number 3, and it has a living area. So this, the difference with this one, it have a living area, also have bathroom, bedroom, and a kitchen area. All right, so this is unit number 4. So this is the one now you can get into, guys. Gentlemen, those of you who want to do some work, you can do it on this one, right? So, obstacle course inside here, guys. But I still have to come in here. I want to show you, right? So there's some stuff in here, but don't look at any of these things. What you're looking at is a space. So this is a closet area. So technically this could be used as a bedroom, which it is really. Over there would be the bathroom space. And what the vision was, still can be for you, is to open this space here into a doorway and get out onto this space. So if you were looking before, you would have noticed that this space have an open area. So this is a section you want to cover, right? So this section can now be your living and your kitchenette. Living and kitchenette. Or you could probably still convert it, this area, into a bathroom. So you could have your bedroom, bathroom over there. And then on this side, you would have your living and kitchenette space. All right. It has lots of potential. This entire roof would need to be covered. So when you're doing the roof outside here, then you would factor in that you would need to do roof work on this side. I think the owners of this unit were very creative in their design and in their desire to earn income. And they're giving it up now for somebody else who wants to realize the blessing, right? So, anyone out there who you want a fixer upper, you've been asking, so here it is. So in here, so need tiling. Your electrical and plumbing is already in, but you need tiling, you need painting, you need roof, and you need windows and doors on the outside. It's a little baby project to get it going. Plus, you're earning income already from the other 3 units, guys. So this is something that you want to do, right? This is what you want to do. So remember, I'm in Jamaica. I'm in Garveymeade Portmore St Catherine, and I'm looking at a Garveymeade with 3 completed units. So there are 2 studios on the downstairs, and on the upstairs you have another 1 bedroom that's completed, and you also have this incomplete space that you can just get to work and deal with it while you earn money. Isn't that good? Yeah, man. Give me a call. 876-292-6776. Remember, be great to yourself and buy real estate.